It was all concrete.
No dirt. Contact. There is dirt on the carpet inside.
In an otherwise spotless house.
You're saying kid never tracks dirt in.
Possible. As of now, that's not all we have, so I guess we found the dirt.
How many hit and runs we had this year?
Too many. One thing I can't stand is a punk coward.
My daughter was one of these scooters, but she's the only kid in the world who doesn't have one.
You want to take these kicks some off?
You feeling all right for it?
I'm fine. I'm looking after you. That thing with Holly Grits made me think who I am to my partners, you know?
This is what your new lease?
You won't bust on me. You won't see any kind of leave.
Thanks, relax. I'll play nice. Thank you for your help. Okay, I can handle it.
Okay, okay.
Paint transfer just one special property.
What kind of bird are you?
You want to call it?
Scarlet, what kind of bird are you? African.
Vic was running down the ride.
Hungry one, huh?
Vic was on his scooter, heading eastbound. Car breaks here. Impact here. Vic was from, what, 20 meters?
Oh my goodness, some paint's gonna match up to about 20 million other vehicles.
Yeah.
Are you ordering me not to pay the rent? This is my wife. I'm paying the rent. Look, if you give up the cash, kidnapper has no reason to communicate with us. Does anyone on your team know where Laura is right now? We have an entire forensic...
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go before you do.
Well, your job just got harder. I'll stay close to the money. This dirt has interesting properties. The gold flash. That's easy. It's gold. The little gray squiggle. Cyanide.
I know. Poison.
Did you know that Nevada produces 80% of the country's gold? Miners drop cyanide powder into the dirt.